Efficiency and production. Just because a business can make something, it does not mean they are doing it well. We need to talk about efficiency and production. In business, efficiency is basically about one thing: waste. How can a firm make its products using as little waste as possible? Waste of time, waste of materials, waste of money. The more efficient a business is, the lower its costs and the higher its profit. There are two big ways we measure and improve efficiency. I want you to remember these two terms: productivity and unit costs. The first way, productivity. This is all about output per worker. It's usually measured by looking at how much each worker produces in a set time. We can use the following formula: output divided by number of employees. Let's look at an example. Imagine two factories making the same chairs. Factory A has 10 workers and makes 100 chairs a day. That's 10 chairs per worker. Factory B has 10 workers but only makes 50 chairs a day. That's only 5 chairs per worker. From this example, we can see that Factory A is more productive. They are using their staff better. They are getting more work done out of their workers. How do you increase productivity for Company B? You could motivate workers, give them better training, or buy them better machinery so they can work faster. Let's look at number 2, unit costs. This looks at money. It's the cost of making a single unit of your product. We can use the following formula: total costs divided by output, the number of units made. Let's stick with the chairs example we looked at earlier. Factory A makes 100 chairs. Their total costs, wages, materials, electric, are £1,000. Their unit cost is £10 per chair. Factory B makes 50 chairs. Their total costs are also £1,000. Their unit cost is £20 per chair. Looking at these two companies, we can see that Factory A is more efficient because they spread their £1,000 over 100 chairs. Each one is cheaper to make. Factory B has to cover the same costs with only 50 chairs, so each one costs more. Now let's look at the link between these. Do you see the link? If productivity goes up, unit cost comes down. If you make more chairs per worker, the cost of each individual chair falls. So when we say a business is efficient, we mean it's producing goods quickly, keeping waste low, and therefore keeping the cost of each item as low as possible. That gives them a massive advantage. They can either charge lower prices than competitors or keep a bigger profit for themselves. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.